order in the court. This is a child support, child custody question. They wrote me and they said, can the Office of the Attorney General raise my child support, even though it was settled out of court and signed by the judge? Not even 2 years ago, we went to mediation. We agreed to a certain type of child support, an arrangement with the children. 1 year later, I'm getting a letter from the Office of the Attorney General stating that they're going to reevaluate my child support. Can they really do that? I thought the law said it was only every 3 years. There's been no material substantial changes. I don't know whether there's been an increase or decrease in her income. Since she's primary, it probably doesn't matter. Insurance hasn't changed, except I'm paying more insurance on my children because the cost has gone up. She's indicated that she feels that I'm making more, so it gives her a reason to ask for more child support. Is this true? Hell, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Okay, sir, let me tell y'all what happens. The Attorney General runs your information constantly. They're the government. The government knows what you're making as soon as you tie your social security number to something. So as long as an individual is not working at the table or with a fake social, they're going to find it. They find it immediately. So what happens is when the baby's mother calls the state of Texas or calls any of your states and tells your state Attorney General's office that she believes that you are making more money, they put in a little request to go look. It takes them a while because they get a lot of those calls. But the more and more the bitch calls, people say it, the more and more she calls, y'all can bleep that out. The more and more she calls, it ranks it higher. Okay, so then they get to it and they look, and if they see that you're making more money now than you were making when they put that order in before, yes, they're going to move to modify it in less than 3 years. Yes. Because at the end of the day, if you are making more money, sir, you saying it ain't a material change. But baby, $5 can be a material change if a person can prove it, if the court believes that it is, if the court says it's so. And in addition, guys, children grow and their needs change. So there are lots of reasons why a modification can change. There, a lot of the times, you know, during the divorce, you gentlemen are able to get these women to agree to these crazy child support and custody orders. I know I am, you know, one who's gotten them to agree. And then you don't hold up your end of the bargain. So then it's like, I don't want to do this anymore because he's not doing it. That in and of itself is a substantial change. So make sure when you agree to do something that you continue to do that. If the things change for the children, then pick up and send her a little extra. It'll stop her from going to the Attorney General for stuff like this. But then there are some of you all who just got money hungry baby mamas, and they gonna go all the time, back to 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 back. And if you want to stay out of court, I don't know, maybe find you a job that gives you a 1099 and not a W-2. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. That may be what you want to do, so you can avoid her doing that. In and through the Attorney General, because yeah, it gets real. They have the right to do it, and they will do it. Next case. But you know what? Get you an attorney, sir, because we can fight that. It's things I can do. It's things I can say, but I gotta keep it short. Next case.
From legal woes to legal wows, attorney Ali Booker has got you covered. Civil lawsuit to CPS knocking on your door.